bitches on my line. I don't give them much time. I'm a daddy star trying to shine, and I don't need a cosign. We just trying to get money before we run out of time. Before we run out of time. Before we.
Bam. So we back. How many more days we got, man?
Shit, today is Wednesday.
Wednesday? I thought it was Tuesday.
No, today Wednesday.
Oh man, Wednesday 35. We got 4 days to finish this damn bike. To the car meet, you know what I'm saying? We have to build off with Candyman. He still got finished. What the hell he doing? I really don't know. I think he molding it or something. But hopefully have the sounds going by then. And then we gotta come in here, finish painting all these parts for the bike. We got a lot to do, man. But at least we got like the concept on it right now though, so that's cool.
Y'all gonna pinstripe it?
No, it's gonna be like
just
leafing, actually. That's what it's supposed to be. Yeah, we gotta pick up the helmet. I need to check on the seat. We got a lot going on. Aside of regular work with customers, shit, this, that. So there's a lot going on. So we're gonna go pick up these rims from the bike shop so we can figure that shit out.
Yo, so for y'all motorcycle needs, you know, finish line taking care of us out here in DeSoto, Texas.
They say they got brake fluid and shit all over from bleeding,
cool.
so you know, just want to make sure.
I know these hoes that light.
Yeah,
y'all know bike wheels that light.
Alright, man. I'll be waiting on you, bro.
Alright, appreciate it, man.
Oh, you know what I'm saying? What color y'all think we going? You know what I'm saying?
Going back.
Surprise. How about that? We gonna be black. It's like, man, I'm tripping. How far he got? I don't know if he seen how far we got, but we only got, what we say, 4 days? Woo! Gonna make something shake in 4 days.
That's a badass Chevelle.
You ain't ready, man.
You ain't ready, man.
You ain't ready, man.
What's up, guys?
Only thing I can kick his ass.
What's up, man?
He don't want that slow. You know what I'm saying? You already prepping up. Look at him prepping up.
Say, man.
Oh,
I'm gonna let you know I'm starting today.
You know what
And I'm bringing 3.
3? Oh, damn. He gonna have to pick one. It ain't gonna, he gotta pick
Hey,
one.
I'm gonna let you know that's 1 bite. That's 1 bite. That's a bad shit. Let's go.
That's different though.
You bringing a Banshee?
Go like that one. I see you in Hawaii, fool. That boy did in Hawaii now. They got tailor made and everything over there. I see that boy. I said, okay.
You know, man.
You know what I'm talking about? Nah, they do it, man. Shit. Man, so busy, bro.
Just like us, shit.
Everything, last minute, everything on the floor. Like I said, y'all see it exactly how it sits. Bike's over there. Pretty much, we going in. I'm gonna shoot 2 tonight, and then I'll shoot the other tomorrow. But basically, like, I gotta get mine done anyway, so like, good, I'm bring it to the tank. You see them, they bring me one, you know how Kenny will do it, baby. Good. Hey, ready, good.
Alright, damn. So, I picked up nigga rim. There we go, man. We have to paint this with gold. I think we're going gold on them. I gotta ask him because I really don't know. But, yeah, anyway. And then we got him doing whatever he's doing over here. Ain't going over here. Yeah, what? Look like he just got everything fucking dirty. But, yeah, making whatever the fuck he making. I don't know, something to that. A cover, brother. Not an undercover brother, a cover brother. Yeah, look. You go his catastrophe. I know a lot of y'all would do this differently, but yeah. Here's what the fuck he does. I don't know. But like I said, then we got the custo cars. On top of having to paint his bike tonight. So it's gonna be a long night, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just stay with us. Cause woo! And he got work in the morning, I'm going to sleep. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, yep. Regular touch shit. Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Back here, buddy. Of course, I'm friendly Chevrolet. Nothing about this gonna stay home, boy. Fucking on the camera, man. Look, you're fucking on the camera, y'all. Shit all on the camera.
Well, like I said, we're gonna have a long fucking night because somebody on the way to the last minute, man. It is now 12:50. 12:50. And we got sprayed 3 colors. Rims have to be done today. Tank have to be done today. Like, let me say tonight. Shit, so we got a long night ahead of us, man. All cause this nigga wanna wait till the last minute. Well, we're gonna zoom in on the brother man. Let's zoom in on the brother man. Oh look. Oh, there we go. Him right there. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You wanna wait till last goddamn minute. But it's okay, we're gonna make that shit shake. So just stay with us. Yeah, and then just watch this shit go by, cause we ain't leaving till 7 in the morning anyway.
My niggas know I can't wait to get even. I been praying and fighting my demons. I can't trust her too good, keeping secrets. Run it up, fucking max out of visa. How you gon' catch her out sleeping in traffic? B45, bitch, I ain't never lacking. Heart got broke, so I turned up my savage. Feel like Future and solid in the mattress. Roll up that dough, she want me to get active. Say it's mine, she gon' call me a daddy. We like Bonnie and Clyde, we get ratchet. We get even, he lay in the casket. I got problems and I'm coping with habits. I don't know how I deal with the madness. Nightmares fuck with my brain, causing damage. I get even, it's over, he capped. Gon' bust a move. Didn't know that we like shooting the movies. Fuck on your bitch, she acting like a group. Pop out the rooster, controlling the tool. Drinking my hands while the nigga maneuver. Don't really have any love no more. All of my friends are turning to foes. Don't wanna fight, bitch, I'm up in the pool. I'ma act like a clown since you think I'm a joke. You a bitch, kickin' shit like Lil Kane when I'm poppin' shit. She gon' drown in the puddle, Lil Vala drip. Say she like how I step, I'ma damage it. No, she can't handle it. Ain't that some shit? I've been down for so long, but that 4-5 my problem solver. I'm diving inside the water. Hopping and whipping, I smash the throttle. Spin down this block one more time. Only thing that been easy in my mind. I can't wait to just catch him, blind him, catch him slipping, flip him and slide. My niggas, they tell me to chill. I tell them won't sleep till I get them. 30 shots, but the first gonna split them. Walk them down, send the rest niggas know I can't wait to get even. I been praying and fighting my demons. I can't trust her too good, keeping secrets. Run it up, fucking max out of visa. How you gon' catch her out sleeping in traffic? B45, bitch, I ain't never lacking. Heart got broke, so I turned up my savage. Feel like Future and solid in the mattress. Roll up that dough, she want me to get active. Say mom, she gon' call me a daddy. We like Bunny and Clyde, we get ratchet. We get even, he lay in the casket. I got problems and I'm coping with habits. I don't know how I deal with the madness. Nightmares fuck with my brain, cause them habits. I get even, it's over, he capped. Yeah, we can trade body for body. Beef with my brother, you know how I'm sliding. Come to the family and my niggas grimy. Talking too loud, but no, we moving silent. Yeah, put up any time of the day. Might lose your life if you come tryna play. Ain't in the games, we let in every clip saying mama about to have some pain, we let it rain. Bad bitches on my line, I don't give them much time. I'm a daily star trying to shine, and I don't need a cosign. We just trying to get money before we run out of time. Before we run out of time. Before we